Hello everyone. For today's magic card trick tutorial, I thought it would be nice to share with you how to do a sleight called the tip over change. So you have a regular deck of cards and you have a spectator just select any card they like. They'll look at it, remember it, but they don't show you. You take their card, place it somewhere in the middle of the deck, completely losing the location of their card, and give the deck a few cuts, a shuffle, completely mixing up the cards. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through the cards and I'm going to peel off one card at a time, and I just want you to tell me when to stop. Right there. Boom, look at that. The 8 of clubs. Was that your card? No. Well, what was your card? Was something different? Was it the 4 of diamonds? And that's the tip over change. And before I tell you how to do it, please like and subscribe this video. I really appreciate it. It's not difficult to do, but it does require a little bit of practice. So you have a spectator select a card, it's a regular deck. You take their card and you want to get it to the bottom of the deck, and you can do it any way you want, just as long as you get it to the bottom. And what I did was just kind of an easy way. You just place their card somewhere in the top half of the deck, push it in, leave it, like a 1/4 of an inch, and then with your thumb, this is my left hand, this is my right hand. My right hand, when I push it in, I'll just pull up on that card just a little bit with my thumb, and that'll get me a break. And so their card is on the bottom of this top stack of cards right here, okay? And there's my break. And then I'll just cut to this break as my first cut, place those on the table, okay? And then I'll cut half of this stack, place them on top, and then the rest of the cards, place them on top. Now their cards on the bottom of the deck, 4 of diamonds, and then you can give them a shuffle just as long as you shuffle that 4 of diamonds first and keep the cards low towards the table so they don't see the 4 of diamonds. And then you explain to the spectator that you're just gonna cut off some of the cards and peel off one at a time, and you want them to tell you when to stop, and that should be their card. And while you're saying that, with your pinky, you're gonna pull down and get a little pinky break on the bottom and hold it with your thumb. And so from my perspective, when I do it, it just looks like you're peeling one card off with your pinky and then holding it with your thumb, just like that, okay? And then this is your magician's view, okay? So you're saying, I'm just gonna go through the cards, peel them off one at a time, and you're getting a pinky break and then holding it with your thumb, okay? And then you just cut the cards, pivot over into your left hand, and then peel cards off one at a time from the top, and they see this angle. And then when they say stop, you flip this card over, right? You tip it over, and then you say, okay, boom, the ace of diamonds, and you just keep going. You know it's not their card. And then when you flip it back over, you're just dropping with your right hand. That card's lined up. You're just dropping this one right down in that pile, keeping the momentum going. You know it's not their card, so you just keep talking. Drop that card on the table that you just changed, and they say, no, that wasn't my card. And you say, well, what was your card? They'll tell you, and then you just flip that one over, and that's their card. It's a neat little move, and it's very impressive to do. It just takes a little bit of practice getting that pinky break of one card, holding it with your thumb, and then when you peel the cards over, tip over, change, drop it, place that card on the bottom, on the table, give it a shuffle. They'll say, no, that wasn't my card. And then you just make a change. And that's it. And that's the tip over change. And please let me know what you think. If you haven't already, please subscribe to this channel. It really helps the channel out. And until next time.